All right, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of a stabilizer Capital Vending makes. It's really designed for the Pepsi bottles, the 16.9. They kind of bridge in a BevMax machine, and for those of you that are trying to vend them, you know that they tip and they don't completely fall into the cup and they misvend quite a bit. So basically this part mounts in, and you'll kind of see it with my Mountain Dew and two Pepsis. It's screwed to the back rail. It has it kind of shims them over, and it has a little spacer here, so it dramatically reduces the chance of your 16.9 ounce bottles tipping. Very important that you do keep these the white pushers clean if they do need to be cleaned with food grade Teflon, so it rolls smoothly. But I've gone ahead and I'm gonna put one of each of these in my cart, and you'll just kind of can observe how it vends, and the bottle's gonna say straight up when it hits the cup. So let me, I'm going to add all three into the cart. All right, so now you're going to see it. So I kind of let you see how that reduces it. For those of you that are really observant, you'll notice on this picker cup we've also add this, and even if you're not doing the Pepsi 16.9, this is actually like a little, it's padded on the back side, so when drinks hit it, we found that it kind of keeps them upright, so that's very nice. And just like final overview, like we sell a ton of 5591 spacers, but we kind of have this one here for the BevMax. So for your Red Bull, those will absolutely misvend if you don't have a spacer in them. Originally, and we still sell a metal version that goes in here, but for a lot significantly less money. If you look in there, we have a white spacer, so that kind of goes in place. Like if you have the Sprite narrow cans like Red Bull, there's a lot of other very narrow cans. It's just really important that you have the spacer in there. I mean, if you don't, like two will come out, so one will hit the cup and one will fall down and break, or you'll lose profit and money. So just be sure if you're doing the Red Bulls, you have those spacers in. But mostly, we've had a lot of success with our these 16.9s, the very narrow Pepsi bottles. There could be other narrow bottles. Just as an FYI to save you money, the Coca-Cola products, they don't tend to tip into the cup. Just a lot of these Pepsi products do. So our spacer should definitely dramatically reduce the chance of the top of the bottle tipping over and then creating a misvend and not delivering to your customers.